Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DHgate, how to track order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To track your order on DHgate, what you need to do is first head over and open up your DHgate app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, you'll be seeing your option that says orders right here, and then right beside it you'll be seeing your view all options. Simply tap on that. And now once you're inside here and then tap on all your orders will be listed right here. Now all you gotta do is find the order you want to track, then simply click or tap on the order to view its details. You'll see the order status, example shipped or processing. If your item has shipped, you'll find a tracking number. If your tracking number is available, click on it and you'll be redirected to the carrier's tracking package such as DHL, FedEx, etc., where you can see the detailed tracking information for your package. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.